Hey Sal, you move your hips like a guy.
No, if I did, I would be able to make a helicopter, but I'm not. It's just You're just so hot.
Look at him bringing that towel around
Nothing
his
to see here,
face.
folks. It's pretty cold.
He's dripping wet. Oh, baby.
Oh, you like that, Vicky, do you?
I certainly
know
do.
you do. Bringing the ladder up. Look at those muscles.
This is the cactus fruit we picked quite a while back. We've waited a few days. We've waited a few weeks, and we're gonna try it. Wait, hold your horses. What I've done is, Jesus, girls, they've already got stuck into the wine. What I did is I left him in some salt water, and all the little spines get soft, and then I rub them off with a cloth. So they're all de-spined. Hopefully, if not, you're going to get stuck in their mouth and their cheeks, which has happened in the past. So, all right, girls, let's try. Give me one.
How do you eat it? Just like that?
That one is the one that I said don't take. Sal, when I ever say instructions to Sal, I have to use very small words, preferably grunting.
I wasn't here.
And you weren't here. You were just, yeah. You said she was sitting there, but she wasn't there. Sal can only have one instruction at a time, too. By the way.
But this episode is about eating cactus fruit,
That's
so
right.
let's get on.
All right. So we got it, and you can just eat them whole. So go. What do you think?
What's it on my boob?
Oh, if you drop any, I got dibs on your boob. Don't wipe it off. Jesus.
It's gone already.
Well, that's wastage.
Sorry, guys. What's on my boob again?
This is a blog first. I had to cut the sound out there, not because of what I said, but because of what Sal said. She's one naughty girl. You get it on your boob again.
Baby, you want to lick it up?
There's like a lot of, what you call them?
So you've done it twice. You see, the first time could be regarded as just carelessness. But the second time is an invitation. That's right.
That's actually right.
Yeah.
Hey, you got me figured out.
Yeah, I do.
It's really nice.
If you wonder what they look like this. They're all purple and juicy.
And full of seeds?
Really good. Full of seeds.
Yeah. And they're sort of salty sweet, aren't they?
Yeah, I really like them. Can you just swallow the seeds?
Then they'll
No,
grow in
don't.
the stomach of you.
No, we're all gonna
They'll
spit
blow
it
your head
together.
off.
That's the thing.
Don't do that.
They'll be pregnant with
And the
fresh
cactus
fruit.
will like stick you.
So good.
Oh, really good. Really, really nice.
It's the only fruit I know that's going to last for 4 months.
Really nice.
Damn good.
Damn straight. Damn straight.
Damn straight. This is good.
Have you dropped any more on your boob?
I'm holding it here.
Come on.
Alright, we got a winner. Excellent.
We're saying goodbye to Early Beach. We just had the world's best breakfast and coffee with this view. And now we're going for new adventures.
It's a hard life, isn't it, ladies?
Yeah, it's really hard. We're struggling.
It's like angels singing. This is Gloucester Island, people. If you climb up into the ravines, all in the shade, there's billions and billions of butterflies. You're also going to meet Cape Upstart. That's where we're going to go today. It's another 40 mile. You get them on Percy, you get them on all these islands. But it's all dry and you think nothing could live here. And you come into a shady ravine and there'll be some big trees and there's just billions of butterflies. There's a good couple of anchorages just around here. It's a bit rolly on a big sou'easter, but we're going to try and go a bit further because we've got new crew to pick up. Sadly, these crew are going.
I know. They're not gonna
survive without them. You love us.
I think I'll try.
You will not.
I can't deny it any longer. You girls were the linchpin in something or other that caused this boat to keep on moving.
Well, I don't know if that's
You were the best crew ever
in the last
30 minutes. Easy day, sailing day, people. Just chick sailing. No swell whatsoever. 10 knots of breeze. Very cruisy. And that's where we're going in the distance. You can barely see it. That's Cape Upstart. Dream run. Real easy sailing day. How good is that? Flat as. We got about 17 knots. The wind was at 180 for like 90% of the day. It's just gone a bit east now. But we'll get away with it. We're only an hour away. So, bloody great. We're going to get there just before dark. Perfect. Good on you, girls. Well done.
Experts now.
Yeah, you're experts.
Pass the test.
All right.
Oh.
Language, Sal.